Hi, crafty friends. It's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Unfortunately, my beautiful niece Sylvia is not going to be able to co-host with me tonight. She actually is going to have a very exciting week because she is going to be in a summer camp because school's over. So yeah, so I'll be missing her. But guys, it was my birthday like a week ago, and I'm a little behind on everything because my mom was not well. She's better now. And so I figure I do an unboxing on a friend mail, actually a birthday friend mail from my buddy Jack, and she's from Diamond Painting with Jack. Now this painting did come in a box, but when it arrived, it didn't say, you know, it didn't know who it was from. And so I opened it and I threw away the box, and then I was like, wait a minute, I don't remember ordering this beautiful painting. So I haven't opened it. I left it like this because then I said, oh, wait a minute. Jack did tell me that something was going to come in the mail for me for my birthday. So yeah, so this is it, guys. It's a beautiful, I'm so excited. Okay, now this is from a company called Rhinestone Goddess Creations, okay? And the way it works is Lauren, who's the owner of this company, she has a private group on Facebook. And so basically you ask to join, and it's called Rhinestone Goddess Creations. You join the group, and then she's constantly posting pictures. She has so many beautiful diamond paintings. She'll post them, and if you're interested and you like it, you just click, you write on the comment, yes. And she immediately will respond and ask you if you're interested. And she'll ask you what size you want, what kind of drills you want, round or square. And also she'll give you the cost. Okay, so yeah, so let's open this baby. As you can see, it comes in a nice plastic bag to protect it, I guess, while it's traveling, right? And like I mentioned before, it did come in a box. All right, now of course she knows that I love fairies. Okay, so as you can see here, it comes with an inventory sheet. And it's a beautiful fairy. Look at her, guys. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to bling this one out, guys. All right, so it basically tells you that it's got 58 bags, so it's 58 colors. And it's 65 by 65 centimeters, and it is a round with 3 ABs. So this is just a regular inventory sheet. It's not a sticker sheet. So if you have a Xyron maker, actually it's a Xyron sticker maker, you could actually cut this out and you could turn this or convert this into a sticker. And then of course you can cut them out and you can put them in your containers. And what's cool, it looks like the first row, it basically tells you how many colors, right? And then the second is the symbols. So it looks like you have 1 through 9. Then you have alphabet and of course some other symbols. Let me see, anything here that looks very similar? No, it looks good. And then over here you have the color, which is the ZMC. And then down here, I believe, yeah, you have the ABs here. These are the 3 ABs. And the quantity, I guess, in each bag. And the weight and how many bags. So it looks like 1 bag for each color. Okay? So let's move that aside. All right. So as you can see, guys, it does come with scallop edges, which is nice. And it also has that poking, what do you call it? Pinholes. It's supposed to help with the prevent from fraying from the painting falling apart. This is the bottom, but let's get the drills out first. Whatever's in here. Let's see. So this company, guys. The other thing before I forget, because I forget everything. Oh wait, there's something in here. Must be maybe another sheet. Oh no, it's the toolkit. Oh, there is a sticker in here. So. Right, let's see if I can loosen it a little bit because they get stuck in there. Oh, here it is. All right, so it does come with a sticker sheet, so that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. The painting. So here is a sticker sheet. So you actually do not need to use a Xyron machine. All right, so here it is, Rhinestone Goddess Creations. You put the start date and the end date. All right, so let's put that aside. We do not need that now. This is the toolkit. Yes, what I was going to say before, because I forget everything, guys, sorry. I believe the drills are resin drills. This is a round. I mentioned it's 65 by 65 centimeters. What else can I say? I forget everything inside. I don't know what's going on with me. Let's just look at the toolkit, right? Let's see what's in the toolkit. All right, let's see. So we have a tray, okay? We have some baggies to put in your drills. You have a diamond pen. This is a single placer, so you can only pick one drill at a time. And over here, I think this is a maybe a three multi-placer. And of course, the comfort grip. And this is supposed to go in the pen. And it's supposed to help with, especially if you have arthritis, I guess, for comfort. Okay. And here are the tweezers. And these are purple tweezers. Very, very sharp. So be careful. And then, of course, here's the little container with some blue wax. There's 3 of them. And, of course, it has a little covering, a plastic covering. So you've got to peel it back in order to get the wax. All right. So you have everything in here, especially if you are a newbie. All right. Let's put that over there. Now, all the images are supposedly, they are, I believe, all legally licensed, which is nice, okay? And it is poured glue. Now, let's look at the back of the canvas. It's very, very soft, which is nice. So we're going to unroll it. Oh, wow, this is perfect size. Oh, wow. Look how clear it is, guys. She's beautiful. I love fairies. Wow. Okay, so... okay, let's look at the top here. On the top, you have the Rhinestone Goddess logo. Okay, it's got like a little picture there. And then it's got 2 legends. So it's got a legend on the left-hand side. And then it's got another legend on the right-hand side. I don't know if you guys... Let me just push this light back because we do not want to see any glare. Okay. And then in the bottom, in the middle, it says Rhinestone Goddess 22@yahoo.com. I guess that's her email. And on the bottom left-hand side has a picture of the beautiful painting. It says Moonlight Magic, because that's what it's called, Moonlight Magic, by Cindy Emery. She's the artist. Again, 65 by 65 centimeters, Rhinestone Goddess Creations. Now, this would be my first. I've never worked on a from this company, but I have ordered some of them. And I will definitely show you the ones that I have ordered. Okay, so she usually has lots of sales too. Sometimes she has where I think you buy 3 and you get 2 free. Or you buy 4 and you get 2 free. I don't know. She's got different sales going on. And this is poured glue. I know that you see those little wrinkles, but it's not the canvas. It's just the plastic. Okay? Just checking to see. It's very, very sticky. Okay? It's very, very clear. And so let me bring it up. Wow, look at the moon. It's beautiful. Okay, there goes her beautiful face, her flowers. She's got like a little crown here of flowers on her hair. Her hair is like flowing. It's like moving. And then she's got these beautiful wings back here. Actually, let me look at the picture. It'll help me better, right? It'll help me. So we've got a big wing here. And then you've got the other wing here. And then you can see very clearly the veins on the wings. And then, of course, you've got the beautiful moon in the background glowing. And then, of course, she's surrounded by flowers, these beautiful flowers all around her. And then, I don't know, it looks like bubbles, but I don't think they're bubbles. I think they're probably flowers all around her. See all these here? Probably flowers. And then she's got this beautiful outfit on. Looks like it's a very pretty long gown. It's beautiful, guys. Oh, look at her earrings. Wow. And then she's got these beautiful blue piercing eyes. And of course, I love the background. I love all the colors in this painting. Thank you so much, Jack. You are wonderful. Love you. This is beautiful. I love her. All right, so let's bring out I'm just going to turn it around. And this is perfect size. I'm just going to turn it this way. And let's see. So I believe the drills, it looks like they're in order. So I don't want to mess that up. Because once you take these out, they're very hard to put them back in there. But I'm going to bring it up. Now we're going to need the light a little closer. Okay, that's good. So you've got like whites, browns, beige, lots of blues and reds, grays, pinks. All right, so we're just gonna open this baby up, and why don't we get the, find the ABs. So the ABs, there's 3 of them. It's gonna be 53, 54, and 56. Okay. So exciting, guys. All right. Okay, so we said 53, 54, did I say 56, right? Okay, those are the ABs. Just gonna do this so you can see them a little better. Yeah, they're definitely in order, guys. Definitely in order, which is nice. All right, so we're gonna move that aside. And so let's look at the ABs. So this one is, it says number 53. The DMC code is not here, but it is on the sheet, and it is also on the canvas, on the legend. So 53 is 712 AB. It's sort of like a, it's like an off-white. Very, very pretty. Look at the shine. Move this a little closer. Look at that, guys. So pretty. All right, and then the next one is 995 AB. It's a very pretty blue. It sort of has like, it looks, it depends how you move it. It looks like there's green, blues in there, a little bit of violet. Okay, not many of these. Okay, and then the last one is 3846 AB. And this is just like a very pretty turquoise blue. Now, just in case you're not you're a newbie, AB just stands for Aurora Borealis, which means that it's the drills have an extra shine to them. All right. So let's turn the baby around and let's see where these ABs. And of course, you know we could add more ABs, right? Or we could add sparklers or crystals. Yes. Okay. Now let's see where these ABs. All right, the first one is 53, and 53 is like the letter M. Okay, let's see. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, let's see. I see it here, all around her neck, down her arm, some down her arm. Over here, is that her wing? Yeah, that's part of her wing. Oh, down here, going down her arm. Over here, again, I think this is the wing or the background. Lots over here. And that, I believe, is the flower. How about the moon? Any on the moon? There's some on the moon, but I think it's mostly the flowers. And some here, that's also the flower. Any on her hair? Nope. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one is 54, which is 995 AB, and it's like I think that's the pie, what they call the pie. Let's see. Yep, you have some here on the flowers on her hair, over here on the flowers. Any over here? Nope. How about the earring? Nope. Her eyes? Nope. The wings. Yep, definitely. Oh, lots here on her wings. Over here on her wing. Some over down here, some here. How about on her outfit? Nope. Okay. So this looks like it's mostly some on the blue flowers and a lot on her wings. Okay. And this is mostly flowers. And then this one is 3846 AB. And it's an upside down arrow, like pointing down. Okay, let's see. Yep. It's all over here. It's that light blue on the wings. Wow, so that means that the wings are going to be very, very shiny. More over here on the wing, on her dress, maybe? Nope. Earrings, nope. How about the background? Okay, so yeah, it looks like the ABs are mostly, like I said, the flowers and her wings. And I just wanted to show you very quickly. Let's see. How about if we look at these? Let's pour some here. Just want to show you the shine. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that, guys. That's really pretty. The shine on those ABs. And this is going to be on the wings, so it's going to look extra beautiful. I love her. Okay, I just wanted to show you that very quickly. And thank you again, Jack. And I will be seeing Jack, guys, this weekend. We're going to actually go on a little retreat this weekend. And yeah, so, and I guess we'll let you know what's going on the retreat. And the other thing is, oh, I will also have 2 more paintings to open this week. One is from Becky, my friend Becky, and the other one is from also another buddy of mine. And she actually started as a subscriber. She's still a subscriber, but we've become very good friends. So yeah, so I hope you guys love this painting as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And thank you. And please don't, and by the way, I always forget, my friends tell me to always say it. Please subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.